Hey everybody, good to see you. My name is Peter Jobst. Thanks for checking out our channel today. We have a great topic for you today. So we're talking about ChatGPT, and if you haven't used it, I am encouraging you to go check it out. And if you like this content, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And let's get started on this. All right, so everybody's been hearing about ChatGPT, and some people are asking, well, what does that even stand for? Chat is a generative pre-trained transformer is what it stands for. Generative pre-trained transformer, and it's an artificial intelligence language model that you can put in natural language in it. You can ask it questions and it will answer you back in a conversation type manner. And just to kind of give you some information about it is that ChatGPT is the fastest growing platform ever. It had 1 million users within the first 5 days, which is more than Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or any of those. And it has now gone up to 1.6 billion users as of March 2023. And it was started by Elon Musk was involved with it, also along with Sam Altman. It runs on the Microsoft Azure cloud is where it's running. And some people have been kind of confused about what not to, or what to use it for, and what I can tell you what the mistake that many people have had, and that is they think of it as a search engine, which it's not a search engine. It is a language model. So don't try to ask it for directions or the best restaurant in the area, but instead ask it to write you a letter to your landlord or letter to your attorney, or all kinds of different things that you can use it for. Have it to write you a poem, have it write you a song, have it review a book for you. And there's just so many different things that once you start to use it. But today I was like thinking, I have to make a YouTube video for you guys today. So how am I going to even, what am I going to say? What's the script going to be? So I wanted to show you today that we're going to drop in the script and it's going to write it out for us. And let's go ahead and take a look at that right now. So we wrote up this little question to ask it to write us a script, and it goes something like this. Write a funny script with dialogue between ChatGPT and user Kevin on how to use ChatGPT to write a script for a YouTube video. Include what is important to YouTubers and what are ethical concerns around AI. Talk about the beginning, middle, and end. Don't forget to tell them to like and subscribe. So let's go ahead and see what this is going to do. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's slow, and here we go.
Hello, Kevin. How can I assist you today?
Hi, ChatGPT. I want to write a script for my YouTube video. Can you help me?
Of course, Kevin. What's the topic of your video?
I want to make a funny video about my experiences working from home during the pandemic.
Great. So let's start with the beginning of your script. You'll want to catch your viewers' attention with a hook, something that will make them want to keep watching.
How about working from home during the pandemic is like a real-life version of the Hunger Games?
That's definitely attention-grabbing. Now let's move on to the middle of the script. You'll want to keep your viewers engaged with interesting anecdotes and funny jokes.
Okay, so I can talk about how my cat keeps interrupting my Zoom meetings, and how I accidentally wore pajama pants to a video call with my boss.
Perfect, those are great ideas. Just make sure that you're not being offensive or insensitive in your jokes. Ethical concerns around AI and technology in general are important to consider.
Right, I don't want to offend anyone. What about the ending of the script?
You'll want to wrap up the video with a strong conclusion that leaves your viewers with something to think about or remember. Maybe you can talk about how you've learned to appreciate the little things in life, like being able to wear sweatpants to work.
That's a good idea. Thanks, ChatGPT. I feel more confident about writing my script now.
You're welcome, Kevin. Just remember to be authentic and have fun with it. And don't forget to tell your viewers to like and subscribe.
Of course. Thanks again, ChatGPT. You're the best AI assistant out there.
Ah, shucks. You're making me blush.
So that's it. It wrote out the script for us. And this is just one example of some things that it can do for you. You can have it write it out multiple times. You can add more description into it. And I think this is just going to give you a good idea. This is just one idea of something that it could do. I needed a script today, so I had it write it out for you all today. So thank you so much for checking this out. I think you should go and get signed up for chat.openai.com. Go get set up. It's a free account. And start asking questions for it. Ask you right things, ask it questions, ask it to review things for you. So that's it for me today. Thank you so much. If you like this content, please give me the thumbs up. Really appreciate seeing everybody. And take care. Out.